gonna get in here and find some restrictions in the neck. Okay, relax here for me. Very good, excellent work. Okay, very good. Relax right here for me. Very good. Okay, let me have you lay face down for me. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Getting some mobility here in the thoracic spine. We're gonna get here for the cervical thoracic region. Very good. Same thing right in here. Excellent. Okay. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Lay facing the opposite way for me. Same thing here. Top leg bent, bottom leg straight. All right. Right there. Right there. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Lay face up for me. We're not going to name this adjustment. We're definitely going to get some long axis traction. Very good. Okay, relax right there for me. Very good. Excellent. Better movement down here, actually. Okay, relax here for me. Very good. Good stuff. So there you go. Is that what you were looking for?
Yep.
Relax right here for me. Okay, let's try this one more time here. Okay, good. Go ahead and look up. Very good. Okay. Relax right in here. I'm going to get some movement right in here. Very good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. All right. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Okay. Let's try one more right over here. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Excellent.
All right, Cap, give me a deep breath for me. Beautiful. Perfect. Oh, now you could breathe, bud. Ready? Nice one. One more. Oh, nice.
Okay.
Caleb, your ears are bright red, man. That blood just rushed up there. That's a good thing. That's what we want.
We are very straight shooters here. We tell the truth in everything that we do. And that's the only kind of people I like dealing with is truthful, honest people. Not scammers and people that steal my money. Okay, exhale. There we go. That's it. Okay, I got one more here. I can feel it. Yep. You feel that one? So please help us circulate the news about REC Studios TV, Platinum TV, Illuminati Media, and all these multi-channel YouTube network scams, because they're just stealing people's money and the creators should be earning their own income.
Ready? And she also follows us on Facebook too, so.
And just one up here. Just relax here. Let it go. That's it. Good. Okay, just a stretch here.
Relájese aquí. Very good. Muy bien. Relaja el cuello así. Muy bien. Saca el aire completamente. Muy bien. Relájese aquí, relaja el cuerpo. Muy bien. Aquí arriba también. Ok, aquí relájese. Respire hacia adentro, saca el aire completamente y relaje aquí el cuerpo. Respire hacia adentro, saca el aire completamente y relaje el cuerpo. Muy bien. Respire hacia adentro, saca el aire completamente y relaje el cuerpo. Muy bien. Respire hacia adentro, saca el aire completamente. Very good. Respire hacia adentro, saca el aire completamente. Perfecto.